So, what's up, guys and gals? Today is today. It doesn't matter what today is. Today's Monday, something of May, and today we're going to be going over how explosions work. We're going to be going specifically. We're going to be going over the science of explosives and how do explosives really work. All right. So you might have wondered if you made explosives before. You might have wondered how does that work, or why does that work more specifically. And if you have, then this video is for you.
Coronavirus news can be overwhelming. So we want to try to make it a little less stressful.
Now, if we want to see the different types of explosives, high order explosives, low order explosives, primers, then watch my next video that I post. So let's get to it. What are explosives? Why do they explode? And just to let you guys know, I made this all by myself and all my knowledge. It took a lot of research. So anyway, what are explosives and why do they explode? An explosive is any material that, when ignited by heat or shock, undergoes rapid decomposition. This mainly complies with the high order explosives, or they commit oxidation, which is mainly lower order explosives. This process releases energy that is stored in the material in the form of heat and light, or by breaking down into gaseous compounds that occupy a much larger volume than the original piece of material. Mainly explosives are, the both two. They're not really either or. They're usually just both, unless you have entropic explosions, which are just, the expansion of object into a whole bunch of gas. And then you have exothermic explosions, which are, when the object releases a lot of heat, and heat is directly proportional to pressure, so it builds up pressure inside the container, and that causes an explosion. Because their expansion is very rapid, large volumes of air are displaced by the expanding gases. This expansion may occur at a speed greater than the speed of sound, and thus a sonic boom occurs. Now, you might be wondering, well, this stuff is way too complex for me. I don't get any of this. Don't worry, I got you covered. I simplified this. So basically, in the simplified sense, an explosive is a substance or a mixture that is unstable. Obviously, they are usually a solid or gelling form. Other common explosives are also mixtures of liquids. This unstable substance undergoes a very rapid chemical reaction after being set off in the proper manner. The result is that the originally rather small amount of explosive is almost instantly converted into a very large amount of hot gases. There you got the exothermic and entropic explosives. These hot gases are first trapped into the amount of space that the explosive charge originally occupied, but they expand very rapidly and very violently. The result is a familiar sight of an explosive fireball and its accompanying shockwave. So there you have it. Those are explosives. That's what they do. And I'll be seeing you guys. This is Chef Ma'am signing out. And yep. Don't forget to subscribe.